it's going to be really cool. It's basically going to look a little bit like this. We're going to use acrylic paint. You don't have to use acrylic paint, but I'm going to use acrylic paint. It's on the booking. It's a 6-week course. So I'm going to show you a time lapse of what it's going to be. I've done it super quickly just to give you an idea, but we're going to put lots more detail into it. But we'll do the hedgehog and the tortoise based on Constable. So I'm going to show the children a board with information of the artist, and they're going to write a fact about the artist for every lesson. So the first lesson we'll do a tortoise and a hedgehog and we'll paint it, and that's in the style of Constable. And then we'll do a fox in the style of David Shepherd, and then we're going to do a windmill in the style of Van Gogh, and then we're going to do the trees in the style of Klimt. We can change this up as well, so if you prefer we could have a dark sky. It doesn't have to be a sunset, so the whole thing's quite interchangeable to what you want to do with it. As long as we've got the main things in there, then it'll be cool. And then we're going to do the pumpkin, the leaves, and all of the little bits and bobs like the toadstools. That's going to be based on Georgia O'Keeffe, and we're going to paint it in the style of that. And then last but not least, we're going to do the haystacks. So it's Monet haystacks, and we'll do the sunset of Monet or another sky. And then we'll do all the background in the style of Monet, so it's almost like brush strokes. So I'm really looking forwards to this project. I just love all these artists that I've chose. So 6 of my favourite artists basically. So yeah, come join me, book online, and I shall see you in September. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to teach you.